Go sit down. Go sit.
Can I take a picture of you?
No, go sit down. Sit down, Brian.
Can I see? Cheese.
Be quiet. You recording it. Don't put that on whatchamacallit.
What?
Because you ain't doing no professional job.
I ain't putting this on YouTube. I'm doing something else.
Man, stop.
I'm doing something else with it.
You send it to Miss Brittany. You can send it to Miss Brittany.
Putting this on
Look
Facebook.
how he look
Now,
now.
what's your name?
Brian.
Brian what?
Brian Devonta.
Say it slow.
Brian Devonta.
Very good. What school you going to be going to, Brian?
My job.
You're going to go to Head Start.
Yep.
You can't wait to go. You're going to be excited.
No, I can't wait to go.
Look at me. You're going to be excited.
Yep.
Yeah. What you going to do at Head Start? You going to do your ABCs and your numbers? And when you going to go outdoors and play? And you're going to have your lunch? And then you're going to take a nap? And then I'm going to come pick you up. That's going to be fun.
Yep.
Now, you like that?
Yep.
Good.
Like
What happened today? You got, how many shots did you get today? 6. One more finger. 6 fingers. 6. You got 6 shots today.
Yep.
And you got a TB skin test.
Yes.
And what you did when they gave you the shots?
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
You was crying?
Yes. I was crying for my mom.
Hey, I was there with you.
I know.
And what you say?
Nothing.
So what you got after you went and got your shots? Where I took you? To Mac.
Don't.
Yeah, and then what you got? What you bought? Look at me and tell me what you bought at McDonald's. You had a Happy
Burger.
Yep. You got a Happy Meal, didn't you?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Chicken nugget.
Apple dippers
Apple dippers.
and a Sprite.
And the Sprite.
And you was happy.
And I was happy.
Yes, you were.